Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our Module 4 in Quarter 1 entitled Solving Quadratic Equation by Completing the Square. First, guys, you have to take the pre-test. There are only 10 items on page 3 entitled What I Know. You'll write only the letter of your choice in a 1/4 sheet of paper. And then you're going to read what's in collaboration and critical thinking. Perfect square trinomial is the basis in the process of completing the square. Perfect square trinomial, remember that. A trinomial is a perfect square if the first and third terms are perfect squares containing positive numerical coefficients or positive numbers. Number 2, the second term is twice the product of the square roots of the two perfect square terms. Hold tayo. Try this. Okay. Complete the table. I-complete mo ang table na ito. Okay, example. Anong ipanagawa niya? To factor perfect square trinomial, number 1, find the positive square roots of each of the two perfect square terms. Si x squared o si 16. Number 2, connect the two square roots with the sign of the numerical coefficient of the remaining term, the second term of the given trinomial. Indicate that this binomial is used twice as a factor. Example, x squared plus 8x plus 16. Is it a perfect square trinomial? Yes. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 16 is 4. Muna na ang yahang result. Okay. Muna na yung factors niya. Okay. Second, x squared plus 10x minus 25. Perfect square trinomial ba? Ang first term, perfect. Ang second, dili nga naman, negative man. Wala may perfect square root ang negative 25. And then, sa next, kamo na mag-answer na. Okay? Sa notebook or sa intermediate isulat. Mas maayos sa notebook para dili mawala. Okay? Kung sa lang na, no? Okay, move. Okay. Ito ang expression na ito. What's new? An expression such as x squared plus 8x is an incomplete square. But if you add 16 to x squared plus 8x, we will get x squared plus 8x plus 16, which is a perfect square trinomial and equivalent to x plus 4 quantity squared in the factored form. When we add 16 to x squared plus 8x, we are completing the square. Ano bang completing the square? Ito yung illustration. Completing the square. Ito yung. Okay. Parang nag-complete ka. May kulang. Ito yon. C. Sa algebra tiles, ito yon siya. No, geometry. Kulang. Kaya nga, i-complete mo yung square. Ito yung kulang niya. Yung third term. Na-gets? Okay, ito yung illustration niya. Completing the square mo na yung illustration. Okay. Look at the pattern the following table. Incomplete square. Kulang. Ito na yung completed square. Ang factored form niya. Paano ito ginawa? Okay. X squared plus 4x. Nag-add tayo ng 4. And then ito yung factored form niya. Ito yung mga sample. Paano ba yung ginawa? Ito yon, sikreto niya. Half ng coefficient ni 6x, anong coefficient ni 6x? Numerical, tapad niya ni x is 6. Half ana, pila? 3. I-square na to si 3 is 9. Balik ta sa taas sa table ha. Half, unya i-square daw. Half ni 4, 4 over 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Mo nang 4 ang gidungag diha. Dili pod. Half ni 6, 3. Squared ni 3, 9. Pagkadali naman di ay ani. Half ni 4. Half ni negative 8. 4. Negative 4. Squared ni negative 4, 16. Half ni negative 10, negative 5. Squared ni negative 5, positive 25. Yan lang po. Okay, kung paano niya i-complete ang table. Okay? Yun ang proseso na completing the square. In the expression of the form x squared plus bx or x squared minus bx, mag-add lang kag constant term. Ano yun? Si b divided by 2 squared. Para ma-complete nimo si square. Kaniyo? Mo ni b divided by 2 squared. Okay? Example. Complete the square, then write its completed square in factored form. Okay. X, number 1, x squared plus 18x. Half ng 18 is 9. Square ng 9 is 81. Ito yun na yun. 18 divided by 2 squared is 81. So, ang completed square nimo, x squared, magdugang ng kag 81, the x squared plus 18x plus 81. Ang factored form niya, square root of x squared of 81 is 9. Okay? Number 2, x squared minus 7x. May hirap ito, no? Half ng negative 7 is negative 7 over 2. I-square nimo si negative 7 over 2, positive 49 over 4. So, ang imong i-add to complete the square is 49 over 4. So, x squared minus 7x copy, i-add na ni si 49 over 4. Ang factored form na, square root of x squared is x, square root aning 49 is 7, square root ni 4 is 2. Ano negative man, kay negative man ang sa tunga. Okay. Number 3. X squared minus 2 third x, half ng negative 2 over 3. Okay. Negative 2 over 3 divided by 2 quantity squared. Unahin natin yung sa loob. Yung negative 2 over 3 divided by 2. Negative 2 over 3 divided by 2. Ito yon. If you divide fraction, i-reciprocal mo ng divisor. So, copy lang ang dividend. Negative 2 over 3. Kabaligtaran ng 2 is 1 half. Because ang whole number na 2, meron talaga yan siyang 1 na denominator. So, 2 over 1, kabaligtaran is 1 over 2. And then, multiply na. Numerator by numerator. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Ito na yun. Negative 2 over 6. I-reduce natin siya. Meron silang common divisor. 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, yung negative 2 over 6 magiging negative 1 over 3 na. Balik tayo sa original niya. Nag-square siya. So, negative 1 over 3 squared. Negative 1 squared. O negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 3 times negative 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Kaya nagiging 1 over 9 itong negative 2 over 3 divided by 2 squared. Over 9 itong si negative 2 over 3 divided by 2 squared. Okay? So, moving in. Example number 1. Solve x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0 by completing the square. Solution. Si constant, si arithmetic term, ibalhin na to dito sa pikas, sa right side, dapat duha lang ka term na dito sa left side. So, negative 9, i-transpose, duha ka way, or mga advance na yung transpose sa pag mag-move da og term sa left side to right side, mag-change of sign mo na si negative 9 may mag-positive 9. Or, para ma-0 na si 9, mag-add negative 9, mag-add tag positive 9. Negative 9 plus 9, 0 na, wala na. So, x squared minus 8x na lang sa left side. Pero nag-add mag-9 sa left side, mag-add buka sa right side. So, 0 plus 9 is 9 mo nang naingnanin na siya. X squared minus 8x equals to 9. And then, kung sa man ang b, negative 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yeah, i-squared natin is 16. Okay. Nabulong ng taan eh. Okay, 9 plus 16. Kung nag-add kag 16 diri sa left side, mag-add po kag 16 diri sa right side. So, 9 plus 16, mahimo na siyang 25 diri sa right side. O niya, kaning diri ka bilang x squared minus 8x plus 16, ato na siyang i-square. So, square root of, i-factor na to, square root of x squared is x, square root of 16 is 4, nga negative ni siya, kaya negative man siya ito nga. So, therefore, x minus 4 quantity squared equals 25. I-square root na ito both sides para matanggal ni si squared. So, wala na, pag sunod nga line, wala na si square diri, pero diri sa right side, square root of 25 is mahimo na siyang 5. So, x minus 4 equals plus or minus 5. Sa mga iyahang solution set ani. I-move na to ni si negative 4, si x matong pangita dito sa right side, mahimo na ning plus 4. So, duha man ni siya, 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 minus 5 equals to minus 1 or negative 1. Mo na ni ato ang solution set. Si 9 og si negative 1. Unsa man ni sila? Okay, balik ta diri. Kana sila mo na ang point nga ang atong curve agi kang x-axis. Mo nang mga x na to, kanang negative 1 og 9, mo na sila, mo ni kayo. X is negative 9 og, positive 9 og negative 1. Ang curve na to, ang quadratic equation na to, mo ni siya, mo ni ang curve niya. Okay? Mo nang purpose, pagpangita kang x. Okay? Move that. I-check niya. Okay? Pag-check gani, kaning x niya diri, kaning negative 1a, substitute sa x diri sa equation. So, man siya x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. Kanang x, kambyo ng negative 1, kani sa iyang gigamit. So, kani siya negative 1 squared, kani negative 8 times negative 1, negative 9 equals to 0. Kana square root of negative 1, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Negative 8 times negative 1, mahimong positive 8 sa ato ang integers. And then, negative 9. 1 plus 8 is 9 minus 9 is 0 equals to 0. Therefore, the check na siya nga solution set. For x equals to 9, tanang x kambyohan of 9, x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. 9 squared ito, minus 8 times 9 minus 9. 9 squared is 81. 8, negative 8 times 9 is 72 minus 9. 81 minus 72 minus 79. 0 siya. Pila man eh? Negative 81. 81 minus 81 is 0. Okay, number 2. Solve 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0 by completing the square. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Si 1 transpose, mahimong negative 1. Transpose na itong gamiton, ha? Okay. Tapos, ang habilin diri, si 3x squared minus 4x equals to negative 1 na. Tanggalon na ito ng numerical coefficient sa quadratic. Dapat wala na siya coefficient. So, divide both lahat ng term. Divide by 3. Ang equation, divide tanan. Left and side. Left and right side. Okay? 3x squared divided by 3, ay mo na siyang x squared. Okay? Negative 4x divided by 3, may mo na siyang negative 4x, may mo na negative 4 over 3x. Tapos si negative 1, may mo na siyang negative 1 over 3. So kanina atong b karon si negative 4 over 3, ito pala yun kanina. Illustration na ako. Okay, negative 4 over 3, divided by 2, reciprocal ng 2, ito yung kanina, para mahimo na siyang 1/3 ito. Negative 4 over 3 divided by 2 equals, copy lang, reciprocal ng 2 is 1/2, kabaliktaran. 2 over 1 man na siya, baliktaran na to, may mga 1/2. Yeah, multiply na to, may mo na siyang negative 4 over 6. I-reduce na to, naman sila common divisor, numerator o kaning denominator sa man 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? Mao na nahimo siyang negative 2 over 3. I-square na to na siya, negative 2 over 3, square niya kanay. So may na siyang 4 over 9. So mag-add kag 4 over 9 sa left o right side. And ayan. Okay? So ito na yan. So negative 1/3 plus 4 over 9, may na siyang 1 over 9. Okay? Kuha sa kag LCD, no? Okay. Negative 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9. Ito yung addition or subtraction of fraction. First, hanap muna tayo ng LCD. Remember LCD? Least common denominator between 3 and 9. Hanap ka ng number na pwede divide kay 3 at saka kay 9. So, 9 talaga, hindi na pwedeng 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 9 divided by 9 is 1 times 4 equals 4. Negative 3 plus 4 equals 1. Copy lang sa baba. Ang denominator is 9. Okay? Tapos, factor natin na sila. Factors ng x squared is x. Ano yung factored form niya? Square root ng x squared is x. Square root ng 4 over 9 is 2 over 3. Ito na yun. And then, square root both sides. Mabasa. Okay. Square root both sides. Matanggal na ng square diya sa quantity niya. So, dito sa Pikas, square root of 1 over 9. Perfect square root ng 1 is square root ng 1 is 1. Square root ng 9 is 3. Mo ng 1 over 3 na siya. So, kanisi negative 2 over 3. Bali na ito. May mo ng positive 2 over 3. So, 2 over 3 minus 1/3. May mo na lang 1/3. Then, sa Pikas na po, 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Doon man yun. Plus or minus. May mo na siyang 3 over 3. And then, 1 na lang. Kani. Kanang negative 2 over 3. Pagbalik na sa Pikas, may mo naman ng positive 2 over 3. So, 1 plus 2, 3. 3, copy lang sa ubos. So, 3 over 3 is 1. Mga nang ato. Ang solution set is 1/3 of 1. Okay? Nalta. Solution example number 3. Solve x squared minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0 by completing the square. Move ni si negative 8, may mga positive 8. Kaya itong b is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Squared na to si 2 is 4. Mana nag-atag 4 diri. Adira. Okay? So, at ang factored form ani nilang x squared minus 4x plus 4 is x minus 2. Kaning 8 plus 4 is 12. I-square root na to both sides. Ay, ano po? So, x minus 2 na lang sa left side. Kaning square root of 12. I-factor niya ang itatag perfect square. Factors niya. So, na-factors ni 12 na 4 times 3. Na-perfect square root si 4. So, igawa si 4 square root of 4 is 2. Bilin si 3 susulod. So, ang answer, plus or minus 2. Square root of 3 sa Pikas. X minus 2 lang. X minus 2. Bali ni si negative 2. Mahimong positive. So, 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3. Ang answer na to, 2 plus square root of negative 3. Ang isa, 2 minus 2 square root of 3. Yan. Check niya. Kamo na mag-check. Okay? Once more, practice ni siya. And then, muna ito ang ihimo ganina. Muna yung process. And then, itong what can I do 1 to 10 is solve talaga nyo ito in intermediate or yellow paper. And then, with solution ha, yung sa example. And this assessment, ito lang, 1/4 lang. Right, your name, module 4, assessment or quiz, section niya, date. Yan lang po. Okay. So, good luck guys. Have a nice day.